Hello everyone, it's almost December, so this video is for those of you who like to make advent calendars or who may be inspired to try to make an advent calendar this season. So you can buy these in any store, but I saw these really good paper mache ones from Hobby Lobby, and I thought why not start and decorate one from the beginning and have those for my children. And so these are actually on sale right now for 60% off. I got those, I got a whole bunch of stickers, and I'm just going to go ahead and decorate this. Now this is actually a cardboard type material, but it's very sturdy, and especially once you add the paper to it. And so I am using scrapbooking paper as well as a matte Mod Podge to do the majority of this craft project. To fold that over, just clip those corners out, put on a frame of those, and I made quite a few, so a couple beautiful different themes, the gold, the blue, the poinsettia, and then I'm going to show you, we're going to work on the drawers on the inside as well. I just cut out the little squares on my paper cutter, and I used one of these round hole punches to do the round drawer pull at the top. And then after that, I just added a variety of different textures and colors to those boxes by using different stickers or different circles, and then by making them all different, really adding some visual interest to it, but the overall look is very cohesive and quite beautiful. I did one in green, I did one in red, I did one also in a gold and red color, and then I did one in a kind of winter wonderland blue color. Now to fill up the advent calendar, I had a couple of different ideas for the people in my family. For tea lovers, I thought it would be a good idea to fill this up with all different types of tea, so having a different variety every day and something they might not normally try on their own, but in this case might try something new. If you've been to my channel before, you know that I have children, so obviously a mini toys collection is a must in mine. I found these mini monster trucks for the Christmas tree, these cars that are in the mini size, some people that they can add to the Christmas village, some ornaments, things like that make really good pieces to put into an advent calendar. And then of course, if you have a chocolate lover in your house, getting some really nice chocolate truffles to add into a calendar is also going to make a special treat. The advent calendar is a really fun tradition to implement into your household. I'd be really curious to hear what you put in your advent calendars. I know for me growing up, I always had miniature nativity scenes or little tiny Christmas ornaments in my advent calendar, and I still have those things today. So I hope that these things inspire you and that you can implement something fun into your family tradition as well. So happy almost December and Merry Christmas, guys. I'll see you next time.